Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel where we shall show how to draw a stunning school bag in easy steps. Start by sketching the basic outline of the bag using simple shapes. Next, add details like pockets, straps and zippers to make it realistic. Don't forget to include small embellishments like buttons or pads for extra flair. Now let's add some shading to give our bag depth and dimension. Use light strokes to create highlights and darker shades for shadows. Blend the colors smoothly for a polished look. Take your time and enjoy the process of bringing your drawing to life. Remember, art is about expressing yourself, so feel free to add your own creative touch. As you work, pay attention to proportion and perspective to make your bag look realistic. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are just opportunities to learn and improve. Keep refining your drawing until you are satisfied with the result. Now, let's add some color. Choose vibrant hues that complement each other. Use a variety of techniques like cross-hatching or stippling to add texture to your bag. Experiment with different mediums like colored pencils, markers, or even watercolors. Don't be afraid to mix colors to achieve the perfect shade. Take breaks if you need to rest your hand or refresh your mind. Now share your beautiful drawing with the world, whether you hang it on your wall or share it on social media. Be proud of what you have accomplished. Remember, the journey of art is never ending. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing your boundaries. Who knows, maybe your next drawing will be even more incredible. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to like and comments. Thanks for watching.